Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today's video is going to be a little different. I finally have two GoPros to film on. One is the GoPro I'm talking to you guys on right now. The other GoPro is this one here, which I don't have in the case right now, but I do have a chest mount for it. So yeah, now you guys are going to be able to see some great first-person point of view. By the way, thank you guys so much for 85 subs. I have to tell you guys, I cannot thank you guys enough. But today, we're going fishing. We're going creek fishing. Type of fishing I haven't done in a while. You know what? Let's see what we can't do. Let's go. Alright guys, what do you say we do some fishing here? How about that? Got a couple of duckies over on this part. And we're going to try to do some trout fishing today. We're going to attempt to do some trout fishing today. Got this little hair jig tied on. Just gonna cast upstream. Let the current deal with it. Kind of jig it. Let the current kind of take line. By the way, all the gear, all the conditions of today's fishing trip is all listed down in the description, so you guys can go down there and check it out. On Flurocarbon, we may or may not be able to prevail, catch a fish of an inline spinner spot, if I'm being honest, but you know, still a nice little spot. I can see myself catching fish here. We'll have to see. Let that sink. Got one. Fish on. Boom, guys. Check that out. Beautiful rainbow trout. Check that out. Boom. Get in the boat. Check it, guys. Beautiful rainbow. Check it out. That's my first trout of the year. Look at that. Look at that beautiful rainbow. Oh, my goodness. What a beautiful one. Oh, come here. Come here. We're actually going to keep this one to eat. Look at that. Beautiful rainbow trout. Beautifully hooked. That's my first fish on a chest cam. Beautiful trout. Dang. We're going to go ahead and get this beautiful fish on a stringer. We're going to see if we can't catch some more. You know what? I'm confident you know what? We're just going to let this guy go. But we're also going to release him on an underwater camera, I feel like. So let's get the underwater camera out. We'll get the release. Alright guys, let's go see if we can't get another one. Alright, you know what, we're just going to move spots. We're going to move upward a little bit. See if there's any trout up toward that way. There's a fish here, I think. Alright. Drop our Maribou jig right down in there, right down that hole. Just kind of go inside of our bag here, pull out our all-purpose box, an inline spinner to use, preferably something extremely small. Let's give this little guy a go right here. Right there in that current. I caught one trout.
Did you?
So.
Okay.
Yeah, just down in Kendrick Park. Now, so if you can cast upstream with your spinner half the time, that's where you're gonna get your bites. It makes it really easy for them to eat it. Also, guys, it's getting really warm out here. I actually have to be more aware of rattlesnakes this time of year because they're starting to come out of their little hibernation mode. I've been walking miles. I walked at least 2 miles, that's what I know. Wow. This spot is amazing. Check this out. Yeah, that doesn't look good. That does not look good for me at all. No. It might rain or snow, one of them. Maybe a snowstorm, not real sure, but I mean, at least I hope it's not. It is, and that's fish. Oh no, that was a stick. Dude, I thought for sure that was a fish. Are you kidding me? Bro. Why did the fishing gods gotta do this to me? That literally felt identical to a fish. A mile downstream, so. This river is beautiful though. There's a lot of wildlife that live in here. A lot of different species of fish. Because yesterday, okay, so my last video, you guys seen me fish a river with my GoPro on. That river was the Little Goose Creek. So that's just one of the forks of this creek, of this river, sorry. That's just one of the forks. Guys, we're gonna have to end it there. It is getting, the conditions are not looking up. I mean, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at the sky. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but it is not looking good. The river's looking alright. It's completely unfrozen, but guys, we're gonna have to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe. I post out new videos every week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay on the barb. I'll catch you guys again on the next fishing adventure, but for now, I gotta get inside.